Hey, Jeff Kelderman here, Kelderman Trucks. Well, we got ourselves a big boy right here. This is a 2020 limited 3500. So it's got our biggest kit on here, which is our 10 to 12, and running on 42-inch Toyos on 26-inch fuels. So this thing's even bigger in person than what you're seeing on the video. So you come around to the front. This thing has, again, our 10 to 12. It's got our tuned Raptor shocks. The ride on this truck is phenomenal. We spent a lot of time R&D'ing on this truck to get a kit this big to drive well. So come around here, you got the massive cross member that runs underneath the truck, and it's got holds the 4 links. You can also see our linkages here that runs our 3H air control system. So we got our Kelderman logo. This is a kind of neat piece we add to a lot of the custom trucks we do. So this one we went polished to match up with the chrome on the lettering and the limited stripes on the side. This is actually a really cool looking kit. So we spent a lot of time not only making the thing functional, but to make it strong, but look cool. So we got separate Kelderman badge that we bolt on here. We've got a little Kelderman logo here on the bracket that holds the sensor. We got a Kelderman logo here right above the airbag. So being a 3500, we're running our larger airbag because this guy was also a repeat customer who ran our 8 to 10 inch kit on his Dodge for years. He's got a huge trailer that he pulls, so he's got a big drop hitch, so we wanted to make sure he's not going to lose any carrying capacity. So you come back here, you can see how all the suspension and the big cross member ties in to the factory hitch components on the truck. It's a really highly engineered product. Got our Alpha Series bumper. We have our monster hooks on here that we color matched with that burgundy, the accents that are on the radius, trailing arms on the truck, and got the Midnight Series rigids on the back. Just a really good looking bumper. It fits this truck perfect. So to finish this truck off, we've got our MBRP black tailpipe here. And what's cool about this is we're working with them on private label stuff now. So you get the MBRP quality, you get the Kelderman logo on there. It's just a perfect way to top off your truck. You can get these on our website or just give us a ring.